it's finally clear to see the person I was missing. It's not you, it's me. Now I'm better without you, and it's finally clear to see the person I was missing. It's not you, it's me.
Hit that boy in his melon, like what is he thinking? Well, so I'm trying to slide on the house for no reason. Well, bro, he keep flipping, he command treason. Leave him on the curb, left his body reeking. He talk out his body, now he need a digging. Brody caught a body, my young nigga tweaking. We up on the score, y'all little niggas fiending. Chest shot, now the little nigga bleeding. Ay. And we out trying to work for action. Catch no fanatic, then he do a backflip. Talking crazy, then you gon' be past this. Big ass gun, trying to knock down a fat bitch. He was cooking back and living lavish. He want smoke, then he gon' have to master this. He say he bring I'ma knock up the accent, we the ones who be snapping. And I think y'all forgot who I am. Walk down, try to make me a hat nigga dance. Fuck from the back, make her take off her pants. Good dick with that bitch in the trance. That shit gon' make shit clap, no hands. After that, I'ma fuck her friends. That shit gon' make shit clap, no hands. After that, I'ma fuck her friends. And y'all little niggas really be bitches. He act up, now the little nigga missing. I walk down, I don't shoot from a distance. That's what come with all that dissing. He sending shots, but really be missing. Let me find out y'all little niggas snitching. He sending shots, but really be missing. Let me find out y'all little niggas snitching. And I pull out the grip out the backpack, talk out his body. He cook him, and that's that. And little bro eating cheese. Right track, Brody just cooked us out. Yeah, we back at it. If he steaming that butt, nigga, past that. I see a op, nigga, bitch, I'ma smash that. If he steaming that butt, nigga, past that. I see a op, nigga, bitch, I'ma smash that.
If you want me to come, I'ma slide. Just give me the knock, I'll jump in a ride. But you wouldn't know wasting my time, no thought of my body, she eat me alive. We got choppers and knockers, they high, smoke dead up on dead up, this shit got me fried. And they speak on my niggas who died, it's always the niggas who never outside. And shorty, she feeling my vibe, I get in that pussy, put dick in her spine. And really, I'm missing the guys who up in the sky, I just wanna cry. I can tell by the look in your eyes, don't tell me you love me, that shit is a lie. And really, that shit is a surprise, we used to be close, how the fuck we divide? Free J, I've been missing the prime, free dropping this, how you get followed the 9. Bro told me I'm one of a kind, they guard if it's true, better give me a sign. You a dub if you dropping them dimes, you speaking on shit I can't put in a rhyme. If I call you my brother, you shine, we been through that pain, but we heal over time. And really, I'm going insane, I get in my feelings, the perky I blame. Most of my albums is lames, I'm giving you credit if I mention your name. I paint them pictures for gang, I hate in your body, get cut out the frame. For rich, I'ma up it and bang, forever my brother, this shit not the same. We got choppers, we got knockers, the D's in my body can't stop us. Shouldn't they start, he get took off the roster. With a weapon, I bet you I'll prosper. Bullets be punching, it's not a boxer. What he make it, it's up to the doctor. I'm a king if I go like Mufasa, don't cry if I die, cause this shit was an honor.
Falling, dreaming, talking, in your sleep, I know you got to call.
I do, no kizzy. With a 40, I really get busy. Over 30, I spend till I'm dizzy. Broke with a body, he only like. We got choppers, we got knockers. The D's on my body can't stop us. Shouldn't they start, he get took off the roster. With a weapon, I bet you I prosper. Bullets be punching, this knock a boxer. What he make it, it's up to the doctor. I'm a king if I go like Mufasa, don't cry if I die, cause this shit was an honor. We got choppers, we got knockers.
She sexy and she know it. Say sexy, so why the fuck you draw my own? Like your man say die, but I go. Bitch, you know I'm a throw. Now I'm ducking the D's cause I gotta get low. I ain't passing this blunt, y'all know what I smoke. I'm too official, y'all know what I'm on. And they label, they call on my phone. Let's talk about how that body nigga home. You can die from some shit that you say in your song. You can tryna move, look, but you're doing it wrong. That's the time she play my songs. That's the time she came in wrong. Oh, she a thought till I take off her thongs. Oh, that's how I be get beat with a gun. Smoking all that. So why the fuck you drop my O? Like your man say die, but I go. I'm shoot, you know I'm a throw. Now I'm ducking the D's cause I gotta get low. I ain't passing this blunt, y'all know what I smoke. I'm too official, y'all know what I'm on. And they label, they call on my phone. Let's talk about how that boy and nigga home. Gang, gang, gang. Every out the shot. Smoking all that. Gang, gang. Go get that nigga. I'ma spin it, where they at? And it start with a couple of max. We see it up, I bet he get caught. Hey yo, Bree, your pussy was whack. And these niggas, they know what I jack. You jack, okay, you get caught. Ain't like they got started in his back. That bitch at that, and she let me slide. Got this too hot, but I still my knock. Child on me, you get shot. And that bitch at that, I be throwing my knife. Move, look, he gon' get to the ground. And I'm jumping the fuck with me, smoking on bins. Up top, baby, bring a friend. I catch Smash Buddha, he get hit. Hey, yo, Guana, you better not miss. And I see her up, I'ma hop up the whip. Move up, yeah. And I hold to the spotlight. We in, and we see her up, but we in. So why the fuck you draw my O? Like your man say, die, but I go. This shoot, you know I'ma throw. Now I'm ducking the D's, cause I gotta get low. I ain't passing this blunt, y'all know what I smoke. I'm too official, y'all know how I'm on.